Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox stuck on joining server. Start with the basics. A stable internet connection is crucial for online gaming. Sometimes, a simple restart of the Roblox application or your entire computer can resolve temporary glitches. It's also wise to confirm that Roblox's own servers are not experiencing issues, as this would affect everyone. Finally, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often fix loading problems within a few minutes. If basic restarts don't work, let's look at your network. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Roblox. Try disabling them briefly for about 5 minutes. Ensure your router settings aren't restricting Roblox's access. Flushing your DNS cache can also clear up connectivity issues by refreshing your network's address book. As a test, try connecting via a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if the problem persists. Sometimes the issue lies within the Roblox application itself. A complete reinstallation can often fix corrupted files, taking about 10 to 15 minutes. Clearing Roblox's temporary files can also resolve persistent loading problems. Running the application as an administrator ensures it has all necessary permissions. Additionally, outdated graphics drivers can cause performance and loading issues, so make sure yours are up to date for optimal gameplay. For more stubborn problems, check for any pending Windows updates, as these can sometimes impact game compatibility. Incorrect date and time settings on your computer can also cause connection errors. If all else fails, reaching out to Roblox support with a detailed description of your issue is the best next step. In some rare cases, using a virtual private network or VPN might help bypass specific regional network restrictions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.